What up, guys? It's your boy KingJoffyJoe 413 back with another one. License plate curtain. This thing here is strictly for novelty purposes. You know what I'm saying? Pictures and stuff like that. So comes in here, nice little frame that you're gonna mount to the back of your bike here. You know what I'm saying? Solid construction. That's a solid construction. Comes with this little box, control module. I would assume that's what that is. Has a 12 volt here. It has a little star thing here that connects to the button. Little button here. You press it and down. There's like a little, there's a light here that turns on or not, but that'd be cool. So you know when it's down, you don't want to just be having it down on accident. You know what I'm saying? So first we're gonna start off, we're gonna remove our plate. So on the bottom of the box, there's a couple Phillips screws. I'm assuming you're gonna have to take these two screws out. Now we're gonna hold the plate, the lights, the bracket, and we're gonna screw them all in. This wire here, I'm gonna run it from here down to there. We're gonna run it through here, zip tie it up, run it underneath the bottom of the bike, all the way to the front, connect it to the box. All right, guys. So now I got it ran up through here. We ran it up through here to the back here, go through here, all the way up to the front here. I took out my front so I can get my right underneath my quad lock. And I mount it right there underneath my quad lock. Place right there. So when I hit the button and it's open, and when you close it, you got a little light that stays blue to let you know that it's closed, so you don't accidentally leave it open. So I got it mounted. You seen what I did? I already told you what I did. I ran it down here, zip tied it all up. I'm gonna clip all my zip ties. Ran it up here, ran it up to the top, got it to the bars. Has a screw that has a nut and a screw that doesn't have a nut. The one that doesn't have a nut screws directly into the plastic. If you do get this, don't tighten it off. It's time to check this beast out. Let's see if it works, guys. Let's check it out. That shit dope. Yes, sir, guys. You know what I'm saying? People ain't taking pictures of my plate no more. Your boy out there hiding his plate from the haters. So